Is your automation system becoming too complex, too expensive, and too bulky? Traditional servo systems use multiple components, drives, motors, and cables, leading to higher installation effort, maintenance costs, and larger cabinet space. Introducing Synapticon by Kübler Actilink-S Integrated Servo Motors, a fully integrated solution that combines everything into one compact unit. Motor, drive, encoder, and safety, seamlessly integrated in a single housing, reducing cabling and installation effort dramatically. Achieve robotics-level precision, real-time positioning, and up to 5 times higher power density, outperforming traditional resolver-based systems. Perfect for packaging, industrial automation, robotics, and any machine where space matters. Reduce complexity, save space, boost performance with Actilink-S. Get in touch with us.